You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig for you guys, and this wig is from DivasWigs. So this is a closure unit, and y'all know I freaking love closure units. They're my favorite kind of wig because they're super easy because there's not much work. So this is what the unit looks like. It's a 5x5, so you get the 5 inches from here to here and then 5 inches from here to here, like going all the way back. But this is what it looks like. So this is supposed to be a special kind of lace. I can kind of tell already it is super freaking invisible. So the lace on this unit is what they're calling Burano lace. So I don't even know what that was. I had to look it up. So what I got from it is the technique that is used to create the lace, and it makes a really delicate fine lace, and it makes the grids extremely tiny. So for those of you that don't know what the grids are the holes that you see in the lace. I have some samples right here that I'll show you guys on my arm, but basically the grids are the holes, and this lace is supposed to have the tiniest holes and like basically be super thin and delicate and just melt into your skin perfectly. So I'm going to test it out on my arm first so we can see like the difference, because I still get that question like, what's the difference between this lace, this lace, this lace? So right here I have the Burano lace, I have a normal lace which I call OG lace, and then I have the transparent lace. So I'm using this Wonder Lace by EBIN. This has become my favorite holding spray, you guys, for wigs. Like, it's way better than Got to Be Glue, honestly. It comes out sticky. Like, Got to Be Glue comes out wet and then it dries and it gets kind of tacky. This sprays out tacky and it lasts a really long time. But let me go ahead and let me show you guys what this lace looks like. So now we have the different lace, and you can see what each of them looks like. So this is like so good. Like, it's melting. It feels really flat. Like, even when I rub upward, like I can barely feel like the separation between the lace and my skin. Transparent lace, I told you guys, is not bad at all when it comes to like blending, but you can definitely feel it like when you rub up like this, because it is a little thicker, so it's a little more elevated off the skin. So the normal lace is always too dark for me, and it's this really kind of thick material. But yeah, this is what they look like, the different ones. Okay, so now that we see what the lace looks like, well, at least on my arm, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bleach the knots on this unit. So it says that they're bleached, and I can see like little pieces that kind of look bleached, but they definitely need to be re-bleached because I can see them kind of well.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love, best friend, and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright.
So I'm going ahead and applying my perfect line in the shade 10 as always. I will link this down below for you guys.
Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love, best friend, and big family. Me and you, we see the dream we're chasing true, and don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily, we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. As I see you in the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. As I see you in the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now.
So my pressing comb just stopped heating up all of a sudden, so I'm going to do what I used to do to get my wigs to lay flat. I just used a little bit of mousse today. I'm using Lotta Body. This one is my favorite because like it adds like a shine to your hair. And then you just take a comb and make sure your hairs are going the way you want them to go. Brush it super flat and then go in with the blow dryer. I use the concentration nozzle and just kind of press it into the scalp area just to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and voila, super flat. If you're using the Perfect line in your parting area for your fake scalp, then you want to be careful putting any type of heat towards it. Like if you get the blow dryer or if you have a pressing comb too close to it, it will start to melt a little bit. So you do want to be aware of that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better, better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
That looks crazy. Ignore my part. I'm about to fix that. But what? That looks so good. Like, no baby hairs today. So now I'm going to go ahead and just take like whatever is left over on my eyebrow brush, and I'm going to fix my parting area just to clean it up a bit.
Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better.
am all done. I just came from showing you guys what it looks like outside, y'all, and lost for words. Like, it melts so freaking good. Like, looking at it right now, it looks freaking amazing, and then when I go outside, it looks even better. Like, this might be, out of all the lace that I've ever tried, this might be the most invisible lace, like, no lie, that I've ever tried. The hair feels nice. If you want a thicker unit, or if you're used to like fuller units, I would definitely go up in the density because it is on the thinner side. I think this is only 150 density. I naturally have thin hair, so like, this is fine for me. It doesn't bother me, but I know a lot of people like really full units. This is what the back looks like. I'm 5'5". But yeah, it is on the thinner side. So if you like really like thick units, then I would definitely, again, go up on the density. Everything will be down below that you guys will need. Anything I used, coupon codes, direct links, I think that's it, y'all. So this is pretty much it for this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.